Hey guys, it is Sunday. I'm filming on the iPhone right now. It's good enough for a bunch of people. It's good enough for me. And I am about to start cranking out some work on the FD, so I figured I'd do a quick little update before I start. All right, let's get into it. So this is the car as we sit right now. It is looking damn good. So I just pulled the elbow off. It's literally just these two up top and then those two below. Actually really easy to get to with short extension and a long 10 mil. Pulled the gritty elbow off, and now I'm gonna get ready to do the spark plugs and coil packs. So leading is low, trailing is top. Rotor 1 is front of the car, rotor 2 is the back of the car. So that's how you're supposed to do your lines. You do line one by one. I got this from a friend who is a rotary tech, Max. Shout out to Max. So yeah, I'm gonna start getting into it. And I guess we haven't really spoken about the elephant in the room, is the fact that this thing is on TEs and it looks amazing. Yeah, I am absolutely beyond stoked. We'll get into that here soon. First, you gotta crank out the maintenance before you can start really enjoying the thing. But boy, that looks good. All right, this is escalated slightly. I pulled the throttle body. It was not super hard. It was actually super easy, just so I can get a little more space. I planned on pulling the oil fill neck, but I think that's stupid, so I'm not doing that because this single coil was a real pain in the ass. I unplugged that guy so I can twist it this way, and then I was able to pull it out. And then here you see old versus new, and I'm doing one at a time. They're all different sizes and shapes, so that way I know which one's which. So yeah, it's my first time doing anything in the FD, so I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm kind of just trying to figure it out, but it's easy, not too hard. So yeah, I'm gonna replace that. I'm gonna run that through there. Go to the leading low. So this is the trailing on rotor 1 that I'm doing right now. Then I'm gonna grab one of the spark plugs and just go one at a time. So, pew pew. All right, all 4 plugs are changed now. All 4 wires are changed. Just do one at a time and chip away at it. It's really easy, honestly. And you'll just run the wires how they were run. This thing's got like all vacuum lines that are blue, like all the nice vacuum lines. Man, I'm so lucky. Such a cool car. I'm gonna put it back together now. But here is what the old looked like. Everything actually pretty uniform. Both leading look the same, and both trailing look the same. Okay, very interesting. Great success. Everything works. We're back together. And yeah, that was actually pretty easy. Oh man, that's awesome. Now to just get that Odo in there and we're freaking jamming. I'll get some video when we go to take pictures, but let's go. What a W. All in all, super easy job. That was not too hard at all. Learning rotary things. Let's go. Thank you for watching. I might have more. We'll see. The list has gotten so much smaller. We're gonna delete it all now, but that's a good W. Let's go.